You've never seen a Virginia estate like this, because you're about to see one of the most extraordinary estates in Virginia's Piedmont Hunt Country. 55 acres, rolling pastures, a koi pond, a personal golf course, and a main house straight out of a storybook. Relax or host unforgettable gatherings in a setting that feels both timeless and alive. Step inside the 1840s brick main house where history meets modern luxury. Exposed brick walls, antique wood floors, and hand-blown window panes tell a story of heritage, while the newly remodeled chef's kitchen, cathedral ceilings, and stone hearth bring contemporary comfort. Each room frames breathtaking views of the estate, with 4 bedrooms, 7 fireplaces, and elegantly renovated baths adding to the home's grandeur. Outdoors, the private par 3 golf course is just the beginning. Trails meander along creeks and pastures, perfect for horseback riding, jogging, or nature walks. The barn complex, carriage house, and guest cottages provide options for entertaining, Airbnb income, or multi-generational living, all while keeping the estate feeling intimate and secluded. For recreation, Seton Place Farm truly shines. From skeet shooting and horseback riding to swimming in the pool or kayaking on the pond, every day can feel like a retreat. The estate balances work and play seamlessly, whether you're hosting events, farming, or simply soaking in the rolling Virginia hills. Every inch of these 55 acres tells a story, combining heritage, luxury, and endless opportunities for adventure. This property isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a legacy, and a canvas for your next chapter in the heart of Virginia's hunt country.